Dear educators and people watching this video, welcome to Student Align. My name is Shahrukh. This is for all the people who are very creative and especially the art teachers, right? When you want to use certain tools, you are always confused that how can I showcase using of paints on something like this? Well, let me give you a good news. We do have that facility also where art teachers can use the palette. Now, just do one thing. Just go on menu. Right, here you have an app called Palette. Click on Palette. Your drawing board is open. Just select the color that you want. You can mix two colors. And here you have different options of brushes. Say example, if you're using this, you can change the brush. You'll have a lighter option. You can mix more colors like a normal paint, and you can make different types of designs also. In case you want to erase something, just use your eraser, and here we have created a very beautiful art in less than a minute using the palette application on the note. Thank you so much. Hope you have a great day ahead.